In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add and adjust audio in Adobe Express to elevate your designs, videos, or presentations. So, if you're looking to include music, sound effects, or even a voiceover to give your project that extra flair, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your project open. Head over to Adobe Express and find the design or video project you're working on. This is the foundation where all the magic will happen, so ensure everything is in place before adding audio. Now, to get started with audio, you'll want to access the audio panel. You can find this in the left sidebar. Just click on Media and then select Audio. This is your gateway to adding any kind of sound you can imagine, from music to voiceovers. Once you're in the audio panel, you have several options at your fingertips. If you have a specific music file on your computer or phone that you're dying to use, go ahead and click Upload from Device. This allows you to import any music file that you own and want to integrate into your project. Now, if you're searching for something new, Adobe Stock offers a variety of music and sound effects directly within the same panel. This is a treasure trove for finding just the right sound to match the mood you're aiming for. Feeling creative and wanting to add a personal touch? You can record a voiceover directly in Adobe Express. This option can add a personal and unique element to your project, making it stand out even more. Speaking of adding a touch of uniqueness, Adobe Express offers the TikTok commercial music library via the Symphony Assistant add-on. This amazing feature provides you access to a vast collection of songs already cleared for commercial use, which is perfect if you're planning to share your project widely. Moreover, there's an Audio Stock add-on available that offers a catalog of high-quality licensed tracks to search through. Once your audio is added, it's time to refine it to fit perfectly with your project. You'll see it appear below your design or video in the timeline view. Here, you can use the trim handles on the green audio track panel to customize precisely where you want the music to start and end. Need to make more specific adjustments? Just right-click on the audio track to split it, delete parts, or mute sections as needed. And don't forget, you can adjust the volume directly in the audio panel to ensure that your audio level complements your project without overpowering it. With these tools and tips, you now have everything you need to enhance your Adobe Express project with some fantastic audio elements. Keep experimenting and see how transformative audio can be. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.